Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This looks familiar, doesn't it? Well, it's the same look from my previous video. I just finished filming it and honestly, it's so beautiful. All I was gonna end up doing was changing my sweater to like spice it up a little bit, but honestly, it's a white sweater. I didn't even feel like doing that. So we're gonna have the same look. I don't mind because it's fantastic, but we have some boxes to unbox today. I'm very excited. I think I skipped last month, which made me really sad. But there's been a lot going on. So without further ado, hello, Birchbox, Ipsy, Boxycharm, December unboxings, let's go. So first up we have Birchbox, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like this box. It's so pretty. Like, I love the whole design. Too bad this is the last month I'm getting it. Honestly, I haven't canceled it quite yet, but this is the month that I'm going to cancel. Kind of makes me sad a little bit. Hopefully I don't forget to cancel it. Oh god, and then I have like 12 more months. Okay, so inside we have postcards. We have a little coupon in here, $10 off your next order, which thank you so much. What's meant to be will find a way. Thank you. The first thing we have in here is from Beach Waver, which if I'm not mistaken, I think that's like that curling tool that kind of like spins in itself. It's called the Beach Waver. Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. Hold level, 1 out of 3. So it's like not the strongest, but it'll do, I guess. The Aroma Experience Polynesian Pink Sugar. What? Oh. Ooh, oh, that smells delightful. Kind of smells like candy. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that smells really good. Heat Protectant Hairspray. I probably... I probably needed a heat protectant spray because I don't ever use one really, and I've been using a lot of heat to my hair, so yeah. Next thing we have in here is Project Beauty Hair Gurt. This looks very familiar. It's the Smoothing Yogurt Hair Mask in Strawberry Banana. I've definitely gotten this before. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think I've used this because it has nut products in it, and I kind of stay away from that because my boyfriend's allergic, and I feel like a broken record every time I say that. But I always pass this on like to like family and friends. But it smells really good. It actually smells like banana strawberry yogurt. Next thing we have in here is from Wish, and this is a vanilla lip scrub. Gently exfoliates and smooths and softens. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, DEA and TEA-free, petrochemical-free, cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified. Fantastic. Honestly, you guys may know this, but I don't really use lip scrubs. I barely have trained myself to wear lip balm so that my lips don't look disgusting. But lip scrubs is just something I don't do because I've tried it a few times and honestly it didn't do anything. ColourPop just came out with a bunch of lip balms and lip scrubs. I have yet to try the scrubs. I will try it, but the balms I love. I actually really do like the balms a lot. Moving on, we have this Monica Dar Miracle Balm Step 1 Prime. Wow, that is really tiny font. Holy moly. So it's a primer in a really tiny little thing. This is supposed to be a sheer velvety balm that nourishes your skin with a blend of argan oil, vitamin A, vitamin E. Oh, dab into lips, cuticles, or any other dry spots. So it's not a primer. It's just a balm, like an everything all over balm. Okay, well I'm glad I read the little card because it says prime on it. I thought it was a primer. Last thing we have in here is from BBB London. B Brow Bar. It's a brow definer in cinnamon spice. It's waterproof and smudge proof, creates full defined brows with a natural matte finish. And it looks like it's a full size one. I'll definitely give this a try. I mean, if the color is right. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. It's not too warm, but it's like a soft medium brown. So that was December's Birchbox and possibly my last box ever. It really is not exciting to me at all, if I'm completely honest. This spray is handy, but will I remember to use this? Maybe. I think the only other thing that I would try and use, like obviously if it works out, is a brow pencil. But other than that, it ain't it. So here we have December's Ipsy bag, which is so cute and so festive. It's all glittery on one side, on the other side it's like this really nice like faux leather. That's like really nice quality, but this is a really cute bag. Let's see what we've got inside. So first thing we have in here is from Fab First Aid Beauty. This is a facial radiance pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. It's alcohol free and safe for sensitive skin. Ooh, that's exciting. I would definitely use this because I actually really love this brand a lot. A lot of their products are very gentle on your skin and they don't have like really a scent to them, so it's perfect for people with sensitive skin. But yay, this is exciting. Oh, and there's 10 pads in here. I thought it was like a one-time use situation, but there's actually 10 pads in here. That is fantastic. I love it. Next thing we have in here is from Hey Honey. This is the Relax Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer that calms redness and upset skin. I have redness and very upset skin 99.9% of the time. So this is actually really nice. So maybe I'll give this a try. All right, let's see. What do we have? This is from Steve Laurent. Honestly, does this have anything to do with like Yves Saint Laurent? It's just Steve Laurent. Is that like a distant cousin that never gets invited to Christmas? I don't know. Loose powder. Fancy packaging. All right. This is in Antique Olive. I'm assuming this is an eyeshadow. It's a loose pigment. It's a really pretty color. Let's give it a swatch. I don't know when the last time I used an eyeshadow pigment. It's been a very long time. Oh, so the whole thing, I opened the whole thing on accident. Well, maybe this is easier. Let's take a little bit with the finger. Ooh. Don't get me wrong, eyeshadow pigments are beautiful. Like, look at that. So pretty. I just don't reach for them because it's just not as easy to use. It could be a little bit messy. But that's a really, really pretty color. Oh, can you guys see that? It's very reflective. Oh. We have a brush, and this is from Farah F.A.R.A.H. Oh, this is actually really nice. A metallic gold handle, and it's a really nice blending brush. It's very soft. You can use this for your eyes. You can blend like smaller areas of your face, like your nose contour, underneath your eyes, whatever you want. It's called a 35E if you are interested, but that is a very nice brush, and I love brushes so very much. I will add that to my collection for sure. We have a pencil, an eyeliner, AM 2 PM. This is from Lottie London in the shade Mocha. I have actually never tried anything. No, that's a lie. No, is it? Am I lying? As far as I can remember, I don't think I've ever tried anything from the brand Lottie London. I almost did like a full face like order because I was very intrigued, but I guess it just never happened. So this is an eye. Oh girl, oh, she is so creamy. Look at that. Wow, I really like that. I was about to say I don't really wear eyeliners because it's just, I don't really wear them that often. Lately, I've been putting black in my waterline when I do like a wing because I think it looks really sexy. But this is like a really dark brown, and I think that's gonna, honestly, I like it. And it's very creamy and very easy to use. I'm gonna leave that on my hand to see if it kind of like stays on there or just stays creamy. We'll find out. The very last thing in here is from Ciate, and this is the Glitter Flip lipstick. I actually have this. Is it in this shade? It is in this shade, this exact product, but full size. I bought this when they first came out. I was like really excited about it. So basically, it's a liquid lipstick. It's a really pretty Jess shade. This is one of the only Jess shades in the collection. And once you put it on, you kind of like wait for it to dry, and then you do that and you rub your lips together. The more you rub it, it activates all the glitter. So then you have like just sparkle on your lips, and it's the most beautiful thing ever. It's just not one of those things that I wear often or would wear out and about. It's fun for like events, costumes, things that involve you wanting to wear glitter on your lips. But it's actually a really nice product. I do have the full size version of this, but not bad. That was everything in my Ipsy bag. I think I'm most excited for these little wipes here. Very excited about that. I actually really do like this eyeliner and the brush. I like this brush. For the rest of the products, like this Hey Honey, I'll definitely give it a try, because why not? But I already have this, and I've only worn it once in the video that I made for it. And then there's this pigment that I will probably not reach for. And lastly, we have Boxycharm. As usual, I have a link down below. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, feel free to use the link. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much in advance. Let's see what's inside December's box. The first thing I see in here is from the brand Cosmetics. Is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Ooh, that's a lot of ingredients. I'm gonna have to go through that. But honestly, I haven't like masked in a really long time. I think I've just been like super lazy lately because masking, it takes a lot out of me. Like put it on, wait, and then like stand over a sink for 30 minutes getting it out of your nose holes and ear holes. But I don't know, like I'll try this. I'm gonna read the ingredients and then give it a try. Like I said, it's been forever since I've masked. Next up, we have this Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. Oh, why did it have to be shimmering? Oh, it's really pretty though. This is in the color Insta Famous. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'll give it a little swatch. Is it a gloss? I think it's a gloss. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, ooh, that is sweet. Oh man. This is a very, very sweet scented gloss. You don't get a lot off the applicator, which is very interesting. I keep having to go in and grab some, but it's a very nice sheer gloss. It doesn't feel sticky. It's thick, but it's not sticky, and it has little fine glitters in it. It's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was gonna be like really metallic and shimmery, but this is definitely very wearable. Will I wear this? I mean, I love my Fenty Gloss Bomb. That's honestly one of the only bombs I wear. One of the only glosses I wear, so we'll see. Next, we have a lip liner in the shade Heatherberry from Bodyography. Ooh, this is a Jesi shade. That excites me. Let's give this a little swatch. Ooh, that's a really pretty mauve color. I do love lip pencils, so I'll definitely keep this in my collection and wear it. Not bad. I have a blush and highlight palette from Wander Beauty. It's called Wanderess. Oh, okay, Wanderess. Dusk to Dawn. Ooh, okay. Fancy, fancy. Let's open this up. Wow, I'm so excited. Is it Wander Beauty kind of like bougie? I wish it was a little wider just so like my fluffy brush can fit in the pans. They could have stretched it a little bit more, but they are really pretty colors. Let me give it a little swatch. Ooh, I probably swatched this in the wrong place to show you guys, but those are the highlight is really pretty actually, but that's gonna be way too dark for me to wear on my cheek. I think it's gonna definitely give me a little bit of pigment. These blushes, I would definitely mix them together kind of to make like the perfect blush color. Let me see, let me mix it together. I really like the color that it makes when it's mixed together because the lightest shade is like a little too light, but it's not bad. It's really pretty. I'll definitely give it a try, but it's kind of unfortunate the highlighter is going to be too dark for me, but it could work for a lot of other people. I thought we were done, but I was like, wait, this box is still a little bit heavy. There's something hiding down here. What is this? Oh, Protégé? This is from Suva Beauty. Ooh. I have actually been wanting to try Suva Beauty. This is the inside of the palette. It's actually really pretty. I believe these are highlighters. Let's give them a little swatch. Ooh, that's gonna work for my skin for sure. Like that's very, very pretty. And then this one is more of like an icy violet highlight, but they're very glowy. Happy about that. Ooh, that matte is gorgeous. Let's do one more. Let's do this cranberry shade. I'm very impressed so far. Those are the swatches. The metallic is very, very, very buttery and creamy, and the mattes actually swatch really nice, and I can tell these are gonna go on the eyes really nicely as well. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. This is a beautiful palette too. I feel like you can do a nice like mauve-y eye, or you can do like a neutral eye, or mix it all together. Do whatever you want. That was everything in my Boxycharm. My favorite products are definitely the Suva Beauty palette and this lip liner from Bodyography. I think these are the two products that I would honestly use and reach for. I am definitely gonna try this blush palette obviously because the colors are really pretty and you can't knock it before you try it. Maybe it's the greatest blushes I've ever tried in my entire life. I don't see myself really reaching necessarily for the Tarte gloss. It's pretty, but it's just not like my thing. The charcoal mask, I'm not like super excited, but I will definitely keep this in my drawer of masks. So when the day comes where I'm not lazy, I will try it out. I almost forgot to go back to the eyeliner and see if it's smudge proof. Okay, for the most part, it's not bad. If I go side to side, it does like smudge a little bit, but it's still on. So not bad. I like it. All right, so that is everything. I think overall, not too bad. I mean, it wasn't like the most exciting unboxings. There was definitely some things in each box that I would use and see myself reaching for, which is not bad. I mean, you can't like win them all. This is the last unboxing of 2018. hopefully I will remember to cancel my Birchbox, and in its place I definitely do want to subscribe to another box. So let me know down below what your favorite monthly subscription box is. I will check them out so we can add a new fresh box to the mix. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I have a lot of fun as usual. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. And also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. With all that said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!